Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae, back again with another video. Today I'm coming with you with a Queen of Hearts makeup look. So as you can see, I'm getting right into it and I'm using the prosthetics. So what I do, first of all, I use liquid latex and I go in with some tissue paper and literally I just carve out the shape that I want. So first things first, I want to do a heart shape around my face. So I'm going to do that around my eye. And then I'm going to go in with my cheek area, and that's going to be basically like a scratch. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer, and I'm basically going to dry that until it's actually fully dry. Make sure it's fully dry. Go in and pierce that. I struggled with this bit, but I pierced it with the tweezer. And then you follow it up with the scissors and you make sure that you cut it so that there's an opening for you to put the blood. So just remember guys that the hole is meant to be big enough for you to place the blood in there. You're going to put some eyeshadow to darken that area, and also you're going to put the cards in there. Right, so the next step which I proceeded with was to camouflage that liquid latex, and you just want to take your foundation shade and literally just go over it. I prefer using one shade darker because you want to blend it in. And as you can see, I went off camera, we've done my foundation routine and I've gone back in with that opening. So as you can see, I'm taking colors that's black and red and just blending that in, making it like an open wound. You want to make it dark. Yes, I added colors to my eyes, I added highlighter, and yeah, I'm going to go back in with the blood, I'm going to go back in with the cards, and then yeah, come back to you guys. Right, so moving on, we are going to buy a pack of cards, and as you can see, I'm basically placing it over my head, and this is where you want to take your time. You want to cut out these slots and place it in the openings which you have made with the liquid latex, and it's meant to sit snug. So as you can see, I use liquid latex almost like a glue, and I've just placed random cards in random sections of my face. Obviously I'm the Queen of Hearts, so I've tried to use those cards and the number 10 because that's the highest you can go, like come on. And then I drew a heart on my lips with liquid matte lipstick, and then just cleaned it up with some concealer. So once you do everything to your liking, you just want to go in with some blood and just literally smudge that on everything. So yeah, and then have the drip effect and etc. I've gone back in with my mascara and my lashes and setting my face, and this is literally my Halloween makeup look. It looks more difficult than it actually is, girls, but I'm telling you, I loved this look. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share please guys. I need to get out there, I need to be seen, and follow me on my Instagram because I'm very active on there, which is Inspiredbynaexo. And I hope to see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae, back again with another video. So as you can see, today I'm coming with a very different video that I've never done on my channel before, and this is a very